Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I am here with some cool stuff. I actually won something. It never happens, but I did, and I'm so excited to share it with you. First, though, I wanted to share what a sweet little sentiment that I got from Kara at Paper Confessions with Kara Mia with some sweet little stickers. Just wishing me a happy Easter. Such a sweet surprise. I love it. So this, my friends, is my winnings from the one, the only Miss Pam Van E. Now, I cannot even tell you my excitement about this because when she was doing this journal and doing the flip through, I was like, oh my gosh, I have one of these in my future. I have not done it, and that is perfect. Well, she drew. Somebody must not have responded, and she drew again, and she drew my name. Yay me. So let's just check out the beauty of Miss Pam's work. And can I just say that this tablecloth, well, maybe it's a curtain. Nope, table. Oh, I bet it's a tea towel. Is absolutely lovely as well. And you know I can use that in my bead journal. So winning all the way around. All right, look at this. First of all, can you even? Look at that bead dangle with lemons and bees and sunflowers and honeycombs. It's so, so precious. And then here's the journal. Oh, wow, this is big. I love it. So my plan is now, not necessarily, this is about 10.5 by 7 to the lace, to not necessarily do a lemon journal, but to take all of my lemon items and add it to this as my personal journal. So exciting. Oh, and she used like a baby's headband. I love using these, but look at that. That is really cool. I wonder if she made that. And then this cute little adorable button with the daisy. I love that. And then it's got this awesome trim with the, I always call that smocking, but this is like a smocking look on the side. She just did such a beautiful job. I was drooling over it. So imagine my surprise when I was the winner. So thank you so much, Pam. Cute little journal card. This book belongs to. Some stamped index cards. Ooh, that's pretty. Another tag. I'll put these all back in here, all cute and pretty when we're all done. That's neat. And this is gorgeous. I can't remember what this was that she made this out of. I don't know. Help me out, Pam. I can go back and watch it. Little shaker tag. That's cute. For lemon cookies. Isn't that sweet? And look at, she sewed all the way around that. Lord, you got patience, girl. The latest buzz. Another one of these that, I wonder if she dyed these or if she got doilies that were yellow. Those are really pretty. Really pretty. Look at that. That's gorgeous too. I like the feel of that. And life hands you lemons. Make lemonade. So pretty. Ooh, this is a pretty yummy. It's a lemon tree. Yummy page, isn't it? Tags, some more writing space. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful stationery. I love this pocket. And she did just a little cluster with some scraps and then added the embellishments. You can't go wrong with pom-pom trim. That's, ooh, this one's scrumptious too. With the pretty die cut, or fussy cuts. I love her tags, and she added some gold on there. It's really nice. All those belly bands are really awesome. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Tell me what your favorite thing is. Ooh, that's neat. In here. Ooh, that's pretty. I love it. Yum. This looks like wallpaper. She always does just such beautiful work. I love her. I love her journals. Love, love, love them. And she's an amazing person just all around. So if you don't watch her, just hop over to her channel, listed in the description too. Pam Van E. One of the little keychains with a daisy and a lemon. And it's just Pam Van E. And it's 2 E's. Van E. That's cute. Oh, this is a envelope. That'd be fun to fill up. So yeah, I'm going to be busting out my lemon stuff. Now, I have to tell you, I've got, this is a long time, this flip through is a long time coming because, oh, cute. I have been traveling and I haven't been able to do unboxings. And I have birthday mail that I need to do as well. So, yeah, I have a lot of catching up to do, and I'm excited to open up those today and then to get them all scheduled. So for all of you wonderful friends who sent me things, I promise I'm not delaying. It seems like it is, but it's, I've been gone. This is cute. I love the gold spray. It just adds just a punch to it. It's so pretty. I like the lemon washi. Oh, that's cool. So I'm going to pull that way. Let's see. Friendship. Sunny lemon. Ooh, that looks yummy, doesn't it? I don't know if I would really like the taste of that, but it looks very refreshing. Very refreshing. That's cute. This is cool, the way she did this, so that when you put it in, it matches up. Clever. More wallpaper. Very, more butterflies. That looks so cool. Some dyed paper. More dyed paper. So pretty. I love these little tags on the bottom. I hope you can see that when I'm in frame. That would be bad. I didn't check. Yeah, I'm good. The hummingbird, gorgeous. Well, this is definitely even more gorgeous in person. Lemon meringue chiffon. I have a dessert digital that has some things similar, kind of like that. I wonder if I have any lemon stuff. I don't know. I was working on a lemon digital. So I'll have to finish that up and then print it out and use some of it in here. Because it's going to be fun. This is really cute. It's 3-dimensional. Gorgeous. And just the way she coordinates is so, she just does a great job. What's this all about? Cute with some whale tails on it. Little notebook. I think I've said this before. I do a horrible job of remembering to put, I love her, Handmade with Love by Pam Van E. Notebooks in my journals. I need to get better at that. That's cute. Fabulous. Well, your journal is definitely fabulous. And then this, I don't know if you can see this, but these are like scalloped pockets. So cute. Almost like a ticket. Made into a pocket. Now I'm not going to be able to get that back in there. There we go. Come on, little guy. There we go. And I like how she made these all pockets and fussy cut around them. Gorgeous, beautiful, amazing. I am so honored and so excited to win something. Because like I said, I never win anything. So this is an extra special little unboxing. And I will treasure it all. And we'll use this hand towel for something amazing too. I'm just going to do that lightly. So thank you, Miss Pam. Again, if you do not follow Pam, please go over to her channel, show her some love, and see what she creates, because it's all very amazing. Friends, until next time, remember to take time to just be, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.